Putting the spotlight and assembling it together is very easy. The spike comes with a channel for this wire from the spotlight to sit in. So you see that slot right there. So when you put it together, you put the wire from the spotlight in the channel, line up the threads, and then turn the spotlight or the spike so it's nice and tight. Now you've got nice and secure, just like that. And then once the spotlight's in the ground, you can angle it straight up, and this is this direction it angles in. Later, down here on the cable that's attached to the spotlight is a quick connect for the low voltage cable. So the low voltage cable is going to sit in this track right here, and then when you squeeze this together, it's an instant connection as it pierces the shielding of the low voltage cable.